Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have some articles and suggestions. From here we have to go into the profile menu. And here we have to tap on settings. Then in settings, if you scroll down, we find language. We can tap on this. And here we can select either English or the language of the region that we have already set in the country section. So if we are from Germany, for example, we are going to have German as the first option and then English as the second option. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.